Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change line spacing in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to reduce or increase space between lines in your Google Docs document, then you simply need to open your Google Docs file. Now here in your Google Docs file, you need to press on this pencil icon to edit the file. Now you need to press on this A icon on the top menu. Now here you need to scroll it little up and you will find the option of line spacing. From here you can decrease the line spacing by simply pressing on minus, or you can increase the line spacing by pressing on plus. You can set line spacing between 1 to 2 lines. So friends, like this you can very easily change line spacing in Google Docs in your mobile app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.